If you drive a Chevy Malibu, you need to know this simple fix for your backup camera. Hey there, Malibu owners. Backup cameras are a great feature, but they can be frustrating when they don't work. Here are some common issues and quick fixes for your Chevy Malibu's backup camera. First, check the basics. Make sure your car is in reverse, It sounds simple, but sometimes the gear shift isn't fully engaged. Next, inspect the camera lens. Dirt, dust, or debris can block the view. Give it a good clean with a soft cloth or lens cleaner. If the screen is blank or flickering, it could be a wiring issue. Pop the trunk and look for any loose or damaged wires around the camera. Secure any loose connections and replace damaged ones. Still no luck? It might be a software issue. Try resetting the infotainment system. Turn off your car, wait a few minutes, and then restart. If none of these steps work, it could be a more serious issue, and you might need to visit a professional. But most of the time, these simple steps will do the trick. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more handy tips.